MG's entry-level model but is in no terms made with compromise. Showcasing the strong and authentic characters of a typical MG is the transversal V-twin one-of-a-kind configuration that sets the tone straight apart from the mundane. And coming out of that is the oversized dual pipes and cylinder heads that take the show from the Roman numerals 2 to 3, marking the third iteration of the legendary model. The V73's minimalist design reminds us of the beauty of simple elementalism, and it manages to keep the brand's heritage intact with a suave design bits that are both timeless and robust. Although designed by the futuristic thinkers of the Sentra-style Piaggio group, with input from the Piaggio Advanced Design Center, PADC, the 70s-era styling makes into these bikes rather effortlessly. Celebrating the model's 50 years of Italian flair, the folks at MG have come up with 4 different versions for the third installment of their very first work. Apart from the stone, special and racer editions that were enthralling audience in the V72, the V73 gets a newer limited run called the Anniversario that pays homage to 50 years of the V7 model.